drift.
In the community drift G35. The back seat's got a hell of a lean on it.
Hell of a lean to it, bro. I'm a little uncomfortable sitting back here. Just toss it down.
You got the seatbelt on at least?
Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a fuck, that's what they don't understand.
Back again like flu season, I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming now, my roof leaving, don't give a fuck, I don't care. Did the shit by my lonesome, no wonder now I'm on one. No shortcuts on that long run, all I really want is my shit. Get on my god, on my tongue, it's nothing. In the discussion, fuck all them feelings, I throw on my pen on percussion. Shit is disgusting, I hear them bragging about shit that they did and it do not move me, not in the least. They ain't been dropping no seeds in the soil, but swear that you on my spot at the feast. I've been on cold mode, showboat, rowboat, wave ride, cool shawty too naughty.
My gosh! Holy crap!
Damn, that was fun. We haven't done a lot of drifting in our lives like this.
How many
Getting better
tires
and
do you
better.
guys go through a week?
That's not too bad on tires. Probably 2 sets.
A week?
Yeah.
What if we got something like this and we turned our parking lot of the shop into this? Yeah, I'd say that'd be a good idea. We just park in the ditch or something on the side of the highway. Yeah, and then we could put up like little barriers right around
I
the
went
shop.
from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up at the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, had the keys to a Jag.